If people see your home on the internet and they don't like what they see, they're gonna just keep scrolling. You only get one chance to make a first impression, so make sure your home is ready before you put it on the market in order to get the most money out of your home. A unique part about what I do to sell your home is I bring in the full package. I bring in my own stager, my own photographer, and I market the home for you. That way you can just focus on where you're gonna go next. This is something that I put my own money. It is my investment in your home right from the beginning. It is my goal to get you the most out of your home with the least amount of time and inconvenience to you. I will have a proactive call with you weekly, give you any updates, and I will always be responsive so that way you can know what is going on. And if you are thinking about selling your home, book an obligation-free consultation. I'm happy to meet with you and answer any questions that you have.